So what I do to keep these peppers healthy, I feed them, man. These peppers are 5 years, no, 4 years old, man. These pepper plants. So I'll get up in here. I already fed them months ago, probably like a month ago. But you gotta get up in here, churn, move your soil around, man. That's what I like to do, especially if I top feed. You can still see the food, so I like to just come in here, and it's dry. It's dry. It's dry. So I just come in here and just rub it out. I get some good dry back, man. You see how healthy that is? Thick. I like to get it that dry because it's gonna stay moist, man. A little cup. I'm using builder soil, and that's a half builder soil and half of my cocoa mix. And then I only feed it not my bone meal and none of that stuff from Down to Earth or anything. Just my tomato and vegetables from E.B. Stone Organic, man. Been using it for years, bro. So these are 4-year-old pepper plants, producing nice sized peppers and tiny ones here and there. So let's move this. See that pepper? Should be able to see it from that angle. Another peppers. There's peppers all over. This one has a lot of tinier peppers. Leaves break off. Been pruning, cutting branches, just making it happen, man. Stuff gets out of order sometimes, but it's all good. As long as you keep feeding these girls and pruning, like taking off these dead leaves. And I'm gonna come in here and sweep in again. Pretty clean tank. That's it. And I water these girls about twice a week. These pots are like almost 5 gallons. Oh, bottom feeding is okay. So give it about a gallon of water. And I don't let the water sit in there. I water these girls maybe once or twice a week, and that's it. You gotta work for it, baby. And they've been in these pots going on 4 years, almost 5 years. And I'm still getting peppers and enjoying it. So a little droopy because they dried out real good, so I'm gonna flood them out, change those pans. Once the water gets all drooped out, and that's pretty much it. And that's how I've been taking care of these pepper plants for 4 years, man. Let's go.